Welcome to our instructional video on replacing a faulty air spring with an Arnott air spring for the BMW 5 Series E61. We'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth and safe installation. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. First, set the steering to straight ahead and raise the vehicle. Remove the rear wheel using appropriate tools. This will give you access to the air suspension components. Next, loosen and remove the fasteners holding the inner fender well and rear lower plastic shield. This exposes the vehicle's air suspension compressor for further steps. Locate the valve block near the compressor on the right rear side of the vehicle. Remove the applicable air line to deflate the rear air spring. Pull up on the lower piston to free it from the lower air spring perch. Rotate the top mount clockwise to unlock the air spring from the vehicle. This will allow you to remove the air spring easily. Remove the air fitting from the air spring and then from the airline. Discard the old air fitting as it will not be reused. Install the new air spring in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Do not remove the air fitting from the new air spring to avoid damage. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the airline until it is fully seated. Thank you for watching this instructional video. We hope this guide helps you successfully replace your faulty air spring with an Arnott air spring. For any questions, contact Arnott's technical support.